Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the flashlight that are quite similar. Okay, Convoy series M1, M2, M21B, and this one is not Convoy. This one is Pioneman K35. Okay, I want to talk about the similarity, okay, and differences, okay, between these flashlight. I will start with M1 and M21B first. Okay, M1 and M21B first here. Okay. A lot of people ask me about the clip. Okay, this clip, okay, comes from Sofern SP35. Okay, it can be used with Convoy M1 and M21B perfectly. Okay, very good. Okay, you can buy it from AliExpress. Okay, the similarity first, the same reflector size here. Okay, M1 and M21B use the same reflector size. Okay, but for Convoy M2, okay, M2 different reflector size. Okay, here I'll show you. It's M2 is smaller. Okay, it's a little bit smaller. Okay, this is for M2. Okay, this is for M21B and M1. Okay, here I'll put it here. And for the LED, okay, the copper base here. Okay, we call it the PCB or something. This one, the two M1 and M21B, okay, they use 20 millimeter, okay, the LED base here, okay, not the 16. Here's the 16, okay, no, okay, they use 20 millimeter, okay, and the difference, okay, the difference. Convoy M1 use this driver 16 millimeter, but M21B it uses 22 millimeter driver. Okay, 22 millimeter driver. So if you ask me about whether I like M1 or M21B, I would choose M21B because it uses more powerful driver. Okay, and if you want to use 6-volt LED, okay, I think it's quite difficult to use in M1 because I haven't seen the 16 millimeter driver that can be used with 6-volt LED. Okay, 6-volt LED is usually used with 22 millimeter driver. Okay, so if you want to use 6-volt LED, okay, you have to choose Convoy M21B. Okay, and M21B you can play with it, okay, with many drivers, maybe 6-volt 5A drivers and many LED choice. Okay, here. So okay, that's the difference about driver. Okay, next. Okay, and for the battery, okay, battery, M21B is bigger. It uses 21700 battery. Okay, but this one 1X650 battery. Okay, that's the similarities and difference. Okay, next. Okay, let's talk about Convoy M1 and M2 here. M1 and M2 here. Okay, first, the reflector size, okay, M1 here, M2 here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, M2 reflector is smaller than M1. Okay, here it's smaller. Okay, it's smaller. And okay, next. And for the driver, okay, for the driver of these two flashlight M1 and M2, it uses here small driver 16 millimeter. Okay, it can be 4 mode or 12 mode. Okay, just this size. Okay, and the LED inside these two flashlight 20 millimeter. Okay, 20 millimeter, not 17. Okay, not this one. Okay, all flashlight here use 20 millimeter. Okay, LED base here. Okay, this one. Okay, here the inside just the driver here and the LED here. Okay, this size. Okay, 16 millimeter driver, 20 millimeter LED base here. Okay. Next, the same battery. Okay, 18650 battery. Okay, that's it. Okay, about M1 and M2. Okay, the difference is just the design, the reflector size, something like that. Okay. Next, let's talk about here M21B and Pioneman K35. Okay, for me they are really similar. Okay, almost the same length. M21B is just a little bit longer. Okay, and the similarity. Okay, both use 22mm driver here. This one. Okay, this one. 22mm driver, and the LED. Okay, the same 20mm. Okay, for the base, the LED. Okay, here, and the same battery, but for Pioneman, you have to be careful about the battery. Okay, because its tube is a bit smaller, and you cannot put in some battery. It must be the battery with some 50E something. Let me show you here. Okay, this is web cell. Oh, I can put web cell in here. Okay, just some battery. Okay, I cannot put in. I'll show you. Okay, here, like this one, the battery from sulfur. Okay, I cannot put it in here. Okay, it's just a little bit bigger than. Actually, this is a normal size, but the tube in the K35 may be too small. Okay, but this battery, it's okay. Okay, I can put it in. Web cell here, G50, I can put it in. Okay, no problem. Okay, but just some battery. Okay, then you have to be careful. Okay. Let me put the battery back in. Okay. For the reflector size, reflector size between the M21B, and Pioneman K35, M21B has bigger and deeper reflector, just a little bit, not much different, I think they are both good flashlight. And inside Pioneman, here, the inside Pioneman, very similar design here. This one Convoy inside, AA driver. This one, similar design. So I think they are good flashlight because they are tough, and the parts are easy to find in the market. Not expensive. Use the same battery, 21700 battery. I think you will understand more about Convoy M1, M2, M21B and Pioneman K35. All of them are good flashlights. I like all of them. But if you ask me for the flashlight I like the most, I like M21B, and I also like Pioneman K35. Because bigger battery and more powerful driver, something like that. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.